Elegoo Neptune 3 Max is one of the latest models in the market. In this review, we will explore the features and performance of the Elegoo Neptune 3 Max. This printer is known for its large build volume and precision. It aims to cater to both beginners and experienced users. We will examine its design, ease of use, and print quality. This review will help you decide if it's the right 3D printer for your needs. Join us as we dive into the details of the Elegoo Neptune 3 Max. Introduction to Elegoo Neptune 3 Max. The Elegoo Neptune 3 Max is a 3D printer that impresses many users. It offers a large print volume, precise printing, and user-friendly features. This review will provide a detailed look at its design, performance, and overall value. First impressions. At first glance, the Elegoo Neptune 3 Max looks robust and well-built. Its frame is sturdy, and the components seem high quality. It has a sleek, modern design that appeals to many hobbyists and professionals. The printer's large size promises great potential for big projects. Assembly is straightforward, guided by the clear instructions provided. The process takes about 30 to 45 minutes. Once assembled, the printer is ready for calibration and first use. During unboxing, the attention to detail is noticeable. Every component is carefully packed and easy to identify. This ensures a hassle-free setup, even for beginners. The unboxing and setup experience of the Elegoo Neptune 3 Max is smooth and user-friendly. It sets a positive tone for the overall experience with this 3D printer. Design and build quality. The Elegoo Neptune 3 Max impresses with its thoughtful design and solid build quality. Every detail seems well considered. Let's delve into the specifics of its construction and visual appeal. Material and construction. The Elegoo Neptune 3 Max uses high-quality aluminum for its frame. This choice ensures durability and stability during printing. The sturdy frame minimizes vibrations, resulting in precise prints. The build plate is made of tempered glass. This material offers excellent adhesion for the first layer. It also provides a smooth surface for easy print removal. The combination of aluminum and glass enhances the overall robustness of the printer. Features and specifications. The Elegoo Neptune 3 Max is a 3D printer that has caught the attention of many enthusiasts. This section will dive into its features and specifications, showcasing what makes it stand out. Whether you are new to 3D printing or a seasoned expert, these details will help you understand its capabilities. And as per fate, these features and specifications highlight why the Elegoo Neptune 3 Max is a popular choice. Its combination of user-friendly features and robust technical specifications makes it a valuable tool for any 3D printing enthusiast. User experience. The user experience with the Elegoo Neptune 3 Max is remarkable. This 3D printer is designed to cater to both beginners and experts. Its features aim to provide a smooth and enjoyable printing experience. Let's dive into some key aspects of the user experience. Elegoo Neptune 3 Max pros and cons. Pros: large build volume, ideal for ambitious projects. Solid build quality, durable and stable construction. Good value, offers a competitive price for its features. Cons: no specific cons are explicitly mentioned in the provided text. However, potential cons could include limited software options, may not be compatible with all popular slicing software. Frequently asked questions. What are the key features of Elegoo Neptune 3 Max? The Elegoo Neptune 3 Max boasts a large build volume, high precision, and dual Z-axis. It also features auto bed leveling and a filament sensor. These features ensure reliable and high-quality prints. Is the Elegoo Neptune 3 Max beginner-friendly? Yes, the Elegoo Neptune 3 Max is user-friendly. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions and auto bed leveling. The large touchscreen interface simplifies the 3D printing process for beginners.